Board of Governors, Mr. Sunil Alat, Director NIT Jamshedpur, Professor Sultradar, dignitaries in the dais, proud parents, and my dear graduates. I don't know how to express my emotions today because this event is not ceremonial for me, it's personal. Because today I am present here not as a special guest but as an alumnus of this institute. 36 years ago, I was sitting in your position with full of excitement and anxiety, heart filled with trepidation when I was thinking, what is in store for me for the future? Today, standing on this dais, I get a feeling as if a fruit has gone back to the nursery where the seeds are germinated. So this is the moment which I feel now. Before I address the students, I would like to mention about the parents. Upbringing of children is the most important aspect in one's life, and whatever success a person attains, it goes as a waste if the child is not brought up well. And today you have fulfilled the mission. Vidya dadati binayam, binayam yadi patrata, patratatva dhanamapnoti, dhanadharma tathayo sukham. Knowledge imparts humility. Humility leads to the path of worthiness. Worthiness gives success. Success gives righteousness. And righteousness leads to the path of happiness. Today, you have imparted knowledge to your children with the foundation of humility and success, and hence you have got your proud moment today, and a big round of applause for you. My dear graduates, today we have got the blessings of the parents about whom I am mentioning and have reached this momentous stage. Becoming an engineer is very easy, but becoming a good engineer is not that easy. To become a good engineer, you must have gone through a lot of hurdles, starting for preparing from class 7, class 8 and cracking JEE exams. Then again for 4 years, you must have burnt midnight oil where tea and coffee became your oxygen, and you have reached this goal. Even during my time when I was alumni, when there was no smartphones, the workshop had only one lathe machine, the institute had only one computer. That time we used to work group studies which was going on, is an example of worthiness, resilience and teamwork. But what I would like to say is the journey has just begun. Idyameni Siddhanti Karyanina Manorathi Nai Saptasya Singhasya Prabhisanti Mukhe Mruga. Success can come through hard work, not by mere wishes. Even the deer cannot enter into the life of the lion if it remains asleep. So all that I would like to say is, now you have to move on in life through hard work and persistence. When you enter the corporate life, you will meet people, technicians, who without a degree will be much experienced than you, and they can know how to do the things better than you. That may initially create frustrations. There, I would like to tell you what my father used to preach me. A man who knows how will always get a job. A man who knows how will always get a job. But a man who knows why will always be his boss. And hence, to move on in life, I would like you to follow the 4 C's. Creative thinking, critical thinking. Always question what you are doing. Always try to be analytical and create a reason. Always have a logic behind every reasoning. Please note, engineering starts where logic meets curiosity. Second is creative thinking. The world doesn't need any copy-paste engineers. The world needs innovators. And to become innovators, you have to think something different. You have to think something different from the normal course of life. And the third is Communication. Whatever knowledge you have, it goes as a waste if you do not express it clearly to any people. Communication, please note, communication multiplies the knowledge. And the last C is credibility. Innovation with integrity is what true engineering desires. If you follow this path of integrity, you will be an asset to the nation. Your talent will open the door, but your integrity will keep it open. So these 4 C's are the ones which will lead you to the path of success. Always keep learning, because whatever you have learned today will become obsolete. 1/4 of the knowledge which you have got now has come from your professors. 1/4 of the knowledge has come from intellect. 1/4 of the knowledge has come from your friends. But the balance 1/4 has to come from experience and learning, which you have to cultivate. You are graduating at a time when the world is going for a special revolution. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, from space exploration to pharmaceutical science, there are plenty of opportunities. But please mind it, each opportunity comes with a desire, with some responsibility. And then you have to fulfill that desire. Design machines which will pollute less. Design systems which will consume less. And design ideas which will drive you to the path of growth. And then only you can attain success. I thank NIT authorities for inviting me to grace this function. Once a student of this institute, forever I have been shaped by the institute, and I am sure this institute will shape your future. So my dear students, always be humble, work hard, think 30,000 feet, but always keep your feet on the ground. The world doesn't just need engineers, it wants people, good human beings with courage and integrity. With this I conclude. Thank you all.
Anepu Lakshmi Devi, Sakshi Priya, Soumya Das, Sasank Saptarshi, Aryan Kumar Singh, Divya Sharma, Pammi Kumari, Adesh Agrahari, Keshav Mishra, Aditya Raj, Aman Gupta, सौम्या वानी, अपराजिता कुमारी, समृद्धि श्री, गौरव कुमार दे, अब्दुल रशीद अंसारी, छोटू गुप्ता, जादव जयपाल, साक्षी कुमारी, साक्य भाव्या, शशि कुमार रंजन,
वेट हाँ, नाम बोलेंगे तो थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ ना, ठीक है सर। Sir, I present the candidates who, having satisfied the requirement for the degree of Bachelor of Technology in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they may be admitted to the said degree. Pratyush Sharma, Sana Ahmad, Kitib Bharadwaj, Ankur Kumar, Anix Narayan, Shobha Kumari, Akash Chandra Aman, Kalastri Bhanu Prakash, Rahul Roshan, Ajan Ashraf, Surabhi Pandey, Aman Nagarwala, Adya Kumari, Anshu Mukesh Prasad, Aditya Kumar, Harsh Raj,